Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1968 Morris Traveller that you can see here behind me. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine starting and idling action at the end. Hope you like them. Okay, let's have a look around this 1968 Morris Traveller. Whilst it's 1968, it does come with the dateless plate that you can see there, which is transferable. It does have a value all of its own. Just had an awful lot of money spent on this one. Haven't been through the bills yet, but quite extensive. As you can see, it's got new wood on it, amongst many other things it would appear. But we'll list all those out in the description. Just a very charming looking Traveller. Standard spec, except it's got inertia reel seat belts in it and a sort of aftermarket pancake air filter. Otherwise seems to be pretty stock. We'll take a closer look, see if we can pick up any nasties. Paintwork's all pretty good. Leaves just stuck down behind the bumper there. Bit of touching up just gone on just there in the corner of the bumper. But screen looks to be in good shape. Looking down the near side, actually looks very straight indeed down there. Door fits are good. Roof is nice. Inside here, I think the interior is largely original, with the exception of the carpets and possibly the driver's seat base. Aside from that, I think the interior is original. Strangely, it's fitted with a white speedo, which I've never seen on one other than an early before. Don't know why that is. Normally it would have a black speedo, I think, at this age. Headlining all looks nice and original. So inertia reel seat belts fitted. Rear seat, well, has got a few marks on it, as you might expect, but it is, say, over 50 years old. Marks in the vinyl. It's just a bit of dirt we didn't clean off. Show you the A-pillar. As I say, the wood kit all looks completely new to me. But we'll see what the history says about that. But as you can see, the wood is in excellent shape, with it looks like pretty new runners, although again they picked up a load of, just been parked at our workshop for a check over, and it's picked up a load of seeds in here. Again, around the tail end, wood all looks nice and new. If we open this up, that looks like original trim to me. Well, maybe not, but it does all look to be in good order. chrome is a bit pitted on the rear bumper, or the rear bumpers. Looking down the offside, again, looks very, very straight and tidy down there, with excellent door fit again. Same story with the wood on this side. Looks like it's had a complete wood kit. Some tiny mark just there in the paint. As you can see, the door fit is splendid. And then inside, as I say, I think the door cards are originals. And the A-post. I think the carpet on the sills is perhaps original. Maybe, maybe not. Actually, no, it can't be. It would be more faded than that, I think. But it is slightly different colour to the main carpets. I'll have to have a look at the history. As I say, some discoloration and marking on the driver's seat, but no rips or tears. I think so. I think the base is a replacement. But there we have it. Charming little Miner, really is. And say the restoration bills over the past couple of years are absolutely enormous. Anyway, my name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com. Okay, quick video of startup and idling on this Morris Traveller. And say all light ignition light up as they should, and starts smartly. Obviously it's warm now, but it starts fine from cold with a bit of choke. And there's its little A series engine, just chuntering away. So it's got a pancake air filter on it, which I'm not much of a fan of, but it's quite nice on the bonnet. There we have it.